Hi friends, this side Ishan and you are watching my YouTube channel Drive Your Career. In the last video we have studied about how reading can improve your communication and we discussed about few very important tips how reading can improve you. This video we will discuss about how you should have a set of vocabulary base ready with you and memorized so that you can use the same in framing sentences. Before that, I'll give you one simple example. You must be seeing, you must be following some role models, some idols. You must be seeing their face-to-face interviews, some their concerts. Just observe one simple thing. Or let us take an example of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He speaks fluent English. He is very confident on stages, on presentation ceremonies and all. But if you observe the pattern, he never uses any complex word, any jargons. All the words used in his sentences are explanatory, are easy to catch, are easy to understand and easy to memorize. So this is what I am here to tell you about. If you want to be a smart speaker and if you want to improve your communication skills within a limited time frame, then you should be having definitely a set of 70-80 words ready with you and memorized, that those will be used in most of the sentences framing. See, what happens to us while we are entering into professional jobs, corporate jobs, or for any job interviews, most of the time we need to explain the technicality part. So technical words we should be knowing, but apart from them what we are doing is framing sentences with those 70-80 words usages. Nobody is required to become Shashi Tharoor on the stages, and it's difficult also. It will take a huge time to get transformed like him. At the same time, you will lose it. You will lose the time as well. So we have done the reading part. Now what you have to do is whatever you like reading. Uh, it can be Bollywood, it can be fashion, it can be sports. Whatever you like, you read it and point out some words from there which are commonly used in many of the sentences. Don't go behind those sayings that you have to take out, you have to pick the Hindu, the Times of India, and you have to pick out the complex words and write it daily. This will complex the process, this will make the process lengthy. No, whatever you like reading, read it aloud and now point out those words which you think that I'll be using, I can use and I can easily memorize it, I can make it into my vocabulary base and I can use it in framing sentences. So that is your target for this current week and for upcoming 10 to 15 days. You make a set of 70-80 odd words for you, start using them on your sentences and you will find that your statements are becoming proper, your sentences are getting framed, and you have a decent set of those vocabulary with you. So just follow this advice for upcoming 10-15 days. Point out some words from the articles you read that you really like. This is very important because if you don't like the article, after some time you will be losing interest in it and you will not be pointing out the words. The famous proverb says as well, like if we should be having 70-80 words in that 10-15 days, and it's easy, it's not that tedious or difficult. Even it says ki if you just note down one single word daily basis, if you understand the meaning of one word daily, after 365 days you will be having 365 new words. But that's too much, we are not focusing on that. We only need a small set. I'm not saying to be limited, but you should be firm on those 50-60 words. You should be memorized enough for those. So keep watching. If you like the video, just press the like button, subscribe the channel and stay updated for the video. And just remember, you need to drive your own career. You give some time to understand, to learn this language, and this language will transform you, transform your personality, transform your overall dimension. Stay updated with my videos.